What if I told you that a powerful skin healing cream exists in Ayurveda that needs just one ingredient, no chemicals, no preservatives, and is safe even for babies? This is called 100 Times Washed Ghee Cream, an ancient Ayurvedic formula that transforms ordinary ghee into a cooling, healing luxury cream. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to make it at home. What is 100 Times Washed Ghee? 100 Times Washed Ghee, also known as Shata Dhauta Ghrita, is made by repeatedly washing pure cow ghee with water. This process changes the nature of ghee completely, from heavy and oily to light, white, and deeply nourishing for the skin. In Ayurveda, this cream is used for burns, rashes, wounds, inflammation, and sensitive skin conditions. Benefits of 100 Times Washed Ghee. Let's talk about why this cream is so special. Instantly cools burns, sunburn, and heat rashes. Deeply moisturizes dry skin without clogging pores. Helps calm eczema, redness, itching, and inflammation. Strengthens the skin barrier. Safe for babies and all skin types. Completely natural and chemical-free. Because it's washed so many times, it becomes non-greasy and absorbs beautifully into the skin. Ingredients required to make this cream, you only need pure cow ghee, clean drinking water, that's it, no additives, no fragrances. How to make 100 times washed. Ghee. Step 1. Ache 1 cup of pure cow ghee in a clean glass, ceramic, or steel or bronze tray. Step 2. Add enough water to completely cover the ghee. Step 3. Use in a wooden spoon or clean hands, stir the ghee vigorously in one direction for about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. You'll notice the water turning milky. Carefully drain out this water, making sure the ghee stays in the bowl. Step 5. Add fresh water and repeat the same process. Step 6. Continue washing the ghee 100 times. With each wash, the ghee will become whiter, lighter, and creamier. After the 100th wash, you'll have a soft, white, cooling cream that feels nothing like regular ghee. Storage and usage tips. Store this cream in a clean glass jar. Keep it in a cool place or refrigerator and use it within 2 to 4 weeks. Always apply on clean skin and use only externally. This is one of Ayurveda's best-kept skincare secrets. And now you know it too. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more Ayurvedic skincare recipes.